storms can strike unexpectedly, damaging your roof and putting your solar panels at risk. But don't panic. If you have Everlight Solar, your first call should be to us before insurance or anyone else. Introducing Everlight Roofing and Exteriors, our new division dedicated to seamless storm recovery. We handle everything, safely detaching your solar panels, completing all roof and exterior repairs, then expertly reattaching the panels once the work is completed. One simple insurance claim covers it all: the roof repairs and solar handling. By choosing Everlight, you get a faster and more seamless process. No subcontractor hassles. We manage the claim, the roof, and the panels. Plus, your solar warranties stay fully intact. One call to Everlight, and we deliver the quality, care, and professionalism you expect. Protect your investment. Please visit everlightroofing.com. Everlight, powering through any storm.